Hey, funky monkey! Hey, jumpy monkey! How do you do?
I'm fine. How do you do? Let's us play catch.
Yes, but first throw me some juicy jamroos.
Hey, take these jamroos. The jamrool is very juicy.
Wow, the jamrool is very sweet and juicy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Take it for my wife. She will like it very much. My wife wanted the monkey's heart for lunch.
Wonderful.
Oh, you are best. Shall I give you more jamroos?
My wife want to give you a treat hop on my back.
Well,
Now we reach the center of the river.
hardcore.
My wife says it would be yummy to eat the heart of the one who eats juicy jamroos.
Start.
Oh, my dear friend, I have keep my heart on the tree. Let's go back and get it.
Go and get your heart quick.
Wicked wife wants to take my life. Don't shed crocodile tears. Wickedness never pays. Thank you, friends. My name is Isan Biswas. It's such a Mondonas Bulu. Bye bye.